So this video is not really a big challenge. It was just something fun to do. I had never completed a 1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle before, so I just wanted to chronicle my journey of doing that. I went to the store the other day and I found this puzzle here, local bookstore, very cute, and it seemed pretty easy to be able to put together, so I'm just going to show you some of the footage of me trying to assemble the puzzle, and hope you enjoy it. So this little challenge that I set for myself was so worth it. I mean, 13 hours of effort, but being able to see the puzzle perfectly put together in front of you is just such an immense feeling of satisfaction. It's so worth it. I would recommend anyone go out there, get themselves a jigsaw puzzle, and have fun with it. It's a great experience. All right, guys, until next time, take care.